Hey YouTube, what's up? We're gonna learn how to play Biig Piig song Oh No. It's got a cool kind of laid back vibe to it that I like. Got a lot of reverb on my guitar. I got the tone knob taking all the high end off my guitar, and got a lot of reverb on it. I'm trying to give it like a lo-fi vibe. I'm doing some syncopated strumming there. You could probably play just some just stead. All right, if you wanted to, you can play it either way. Let's go over the chords. I'll show them to you, the full chords, and then I'll show you some easier or simplified ways to play them. All right. A minor 7 is the 5th fret. We're going to bar all 6 strings. Then with our ring finger, play the A string at the 7th. Now this is like the proper way to play it, but a lot of people play it this way. I will play it both ways depending on what I need to do with my fingering on the next chord. This is perfectly acceptable. Some people play it like this, the thumb. But when you play it like this or this, you're muting the A string. Now we also finish on this song with a B minor 7, so that's going to be played the same way. It's just at the 7th fret. So that's 2 of the 4 chords. After the A minor 7, it goes to an E minor 7. Right? If you know how to play an E minor bar chord, it's just taking your pinky off, and now you've got an E minor 7. Right? If you don't know, how to play the minor chord, you're just to play the minor 7, you're going to bar strings 1 through 5. But really, don't be so concerned about the high E. It doesn't matter if you play that or not. We're going to place our middle finger on the B string at the 8th fret. We're going to place our ring finger on the D string at the 9th fret. All right. After that, we play a G major 7. We're going to bar at the 10th fret with our index finger. We're going to play the G string on the 11th fret with our middle finger. With our pinky, we're going to play the B string at the 12th, and also with our ring finger, we're going to play the D string at the 12th. So these fingers are making a little triangle shape pointing that way. And that's one simplified way to play it. You could just play that triangle. All right. I'll give you another way to play it too. And then the final chord is the B minor 7. Oh no, I did it again. I let my mind leak out onto my friends. I'm all alone again. So what I'm doing there is I'm just pressing down when I want the notes, and I'm keeping my strumming going the whole time. It just takes practice. You gotta get a feel. But once you get a feel for that, you can apply it to thousands of different songs. Okay, simplified ways to play these chords. Well, for the A minor 7, you could just play like the top 3 strings and bar them at the 5th fret. Oh no, I did it again. For the E minor 7, you could just play a D shape at strings 7 and 8. That would be one way to play simplified E minor. Another way would be to just do like a little stair step shape. Right. So the D shape would be like this. That's just part of that's part of the chord we played, the larger chord. Or you could play it like this. That would be E minor, but it'll still work in this context. That's just the index on the 7th fret, E string, high E, 8th fret, the B string, your middle finger, ring finger on the G string at the 9th fret, E minor, and that's movable. Like if you want to play a different chord that way. The G major 7, you could play it like this, making that little triangle with these 3 fingers. G string at the 11th with your middle finger, D string at the 12th with your ring, and B string at the 12th with your pinky. And then take your index finger, place it on the high E. My friends. And then B minor. Play that like this. Just like we played the A minor, just barring the top 3 strings. You do the same thing for the B minor 7. Also, for either of those, you can play the top 4 strings if you want to make it sound a little more full. I can fly. Okay, that's it. Biig Piig. Oh no, I did it again. I like the vibe of that song, the laid back kind of almost underwater kind of vibe. All right, thanks for watching. Have fun playing that, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.